Hi. Perhaps you're familiar with this situation. You have a new application for important customer and are developing a device to suit this requirement, but you can't quite find the connector that suits your needs. Well, we have a new product for you today called the MEDI-SNAP 3.5. Maybe it fits your needs. Here are the details. We have a connector with the possibility to set the trend for high pin density with up to 41 contacts. This is a plastic connector from our MEDI-SNAP range. It offers also the customer the highest level of protection according to the IEC 60601 standard. This means 2 means of protection for patient. It's a highly flexible design with the ability to have hybrid inserts to follow all your needs, whether it's power and signals together, or power, signals and fiber optic, or a fluid throughput with power and signals, or coaxial 50 or 75 ohm contacts with other style of contacts together. We also offer you the option of a customized cable assembly with or without silicon overmolding. So let's have a slightly closer look at the connector itself. I've brought a few examples with me today. Here we have the 41 pin, the high density version of the MEDI-SNAP 3.5. You can see it lets itself be connected very easily, and you receive a strong feedback via the click to tell you that the connector is in a secured mated position. By pulling back on the outer housing, you can simply release the connector. The other example I have for you today is a hybrid version with 19 pins and a fluid throughput. The throughput is secured with a reflux valve both on the receptacle and on the connector side. Similar to the other connector, we have 3 profiles for feeding the connector into the receptacle, and a very good tactile feedback by the click to tell you that the connector is in the mated status. Here at ODU, we're also offering the MEDI-SNAP 3.5 in conjunction with silicon overmolded cable assemblies. Here we can fulfill your requirements and also the standardized requirements of ISO 10933/5. The cable is a very pleasant look and feel, offering you the non-stick slip effect. Our silicon overmolding cable solution offers you excellent adhesive properties, even under heavy bending stress. We have recognized LSR and HCR processes available on a global scale. We also have the possibility to create individual laser texting on the connectors and on the cables. We have, as you can see here, excellent mechanical features on the cables, but also in combination with the individual contact configurations offered us by the modular features of the MEDI-SNAP 3.5, making a whole new ballgame for configuring cable assemblies with connectors. The MEDI-SNAP 3.5 can be deployed in a multitude of applications, whether in the test on measurement field or obviously also within the medical arena. Here we have, for example, applications in the endoscopic technology or arthroscopy, ablation applications, robotics, and defibrillators. Within the test and measurement arena, perhaps also deployments within the automotive test equipment could be considered, and of course also within industrial applications or even in applications in exhibitions where digital signage is required. Before I leave you today, I'd like to make you aware that you can receive your free of charge samples by visiting us on our website, going to the ProductFinder and simply putting in MEDI-SNAP 3.5. So that's all for today, and please remember, if you want to get mooped and mopped, do it with ODU.